3, 2, 1, hit it.
Jeez.
That's gonna be a bonus video.
Maybe.
Should torque them like 300 foot pounds and break a hose.
I have an impact.
Here, you want to try doping?
Oh no! That's cheat code! That's cheating!
Oh,
I didn't specify hand.
arrived with an
No power
impact.
tools allowed.
He didn't specify.
I specified.
Alright.
It's a self-imposed restriction, apparently. Is this a Case IH town or a John Deere town?
Yes.
Okay. I just want to make sure I won't get shot for this.
Oh no, the paint.
Fuck
Minus
the paint.
$5. Never mind the fact I rolled it. And it's missing part of the decal.
Jesus, how tight did you make these?
Yes.
These only go to like 17 foot-pounds.
I had a shot through the brakes.
Oh my god.
Which means they gave it all the other day.
Like for front wheel bearings, CV axle, brakes, and a few other odds and ends, it was only $600. I'm like, oh yeah, that ain't a bad deal. And then I found out why.
Oh, the other day.
Jesus, man. They probably cross-threaded this top one.
Hey, want to see a magic trick?
Oh.
That's how you get shot.
I guess he no less. Yeah. I already feel bad about the scrape from the shitter Tahoe. I pushed it into the dumpster.
Oh. I had a paint pen to fix up like that little ding and shit, but it just despawned anyway.
They do that.
Yeah, like you're like, oh, I have a part. I threw it.
Did you put a name tag on it?
No,
Yeah, that's your problem.
I should have rashed the picture. I should have said that bitch ain't no name.
No, you got to put a name tag on it and then put a weed on it and attach it to a fence. And then it doesn't despawn.
Shit, you're right.
You leave a dinner bone, we'll flip upside down.
Yeah, exactly. The hex code flips upside down and then you got the wrong color.
A proton hit it.
CPs in there?
Yeah. We'll see how they do. I also have a Dana 35. We'll see how that does. I mean, Dana 35.
We've got a welder here. It'll do it.
Yeah, like
We'll get it back in one piece.
they're not terrible axles. I mean, these are only 30. But
I mean,
okay, to be
I've
fair,
seen them break on regular pavement.
to
So.
be fair, I have W140 in that rear axle for a reason. It's quiet.
Leave me alone, mosquitoes.
You wanted to put 307s in just to see that, right?
Trying to get uphill. It's already feeling anemic as fuck ever since doing the cylinder head. I think it's because it's really rich, so it's not AFR. But yeah, when we're done with brakes, I'll slather the shit out of the header with some exhaust paste. Because it's
What's
cracked
that
like because it's cracked like a motherfucker and it's running rich. Like
We have a welder. We can just gun it.
okay, we'll fucking goo gun it. I don't give a shit.
We got
Okay,
the right
we're gonna
tools.
do a right repair for once.
What?
I was gonna do that or slather it in red RTV. I was like,
Either way, bigger
The
the
red
car,
RTV
better
is
the
not
job.
gonna last. If you were to do it the wrong way, you should have used JB Weld steel stick. But you're not doing it the wrong way.
I'm doing it the wrong way, not the wrong right way.
Yeah.
The right wrong, whatever.
There's smart ways to be dumb, damn it.
Okay, what are we at for time?
We were at 4 minutes and 6 seconds.
Oh god.
You got 11 minutes, buddy.
I'm panicking.
That gives you 7.5 minutes per side. Don't do a bin and cross thread it. You might have to censor that.
What? Cross-thread it?
No!
I ripped the threads out of my knuckles the first time I did a brake job.
Ow.
All the way out.
Yeah, they only go to 17 foot-pounds, man.
Actually, more accurately, the previous owner ripped the threads out the first time they did the brake job, and then I ripped the helicoil he put in out.
That was a lot after.
There's been a femoid lately that has been sliding in my DMs. Not it's like this one has been asking me for money like incessantly for no reason.
Yeah, don't
I
do
asked
that one.
I asked her if she knew how to use a helicoil. She said no. I
5
said,
minutes,
game over.
women.
It's a perfect thing to be talking about while Expo's recording.
Femoid.
Hey, it didn't need a heel coil. It was fine.
Yeah, I asked her if she knew how to use a
Why is the wheel
helicoil.
not going on?
I said no. I said game over. She's like, well, what else can I do? Brakes? No. Can you change a tire? Can you get a tire off the beat?
And I'm
I mean, a woman can get a tire off the beat. You know how to drive. Especially like once in Ohio.
All of this is getting recorded.
I don't think he's really processing that.
Or he just doesn't care.
Yeah, my give a shit meters. This.
You're in frame too.
Hey, hey Ben. Yeah, I'm talking shit. Come on, Wayman.
You have a minute and a half left on this wheel.
You
I mean, the
handicapped
fact that you're
yourself.
doing that with a suicide jack is kind of impressive.
I'm just going off the video timer.
I got 60 minutes, 6 seconds here.
Oh, yeah, you're probably closer. We'll go with your timer.
Yeah, I started when he said go.
Goddamn. Oh, this is where I lose the time.
Are you sure you don't want to use the floor jack? It's so much faster.
It's too late now.
It's really not. It's like
too
right
late.
there, bud. It's right there. It's really.
It is literally right there.
I can put it in
It's
place
just
for
a
you.
fucking podium for Brooklyn right now.
So true. We do like to put our mods on a pedestal.
It's gonna be close.
I don't think I got it, boys.
He don't got it.
The fact that you're doing this without power tools is kind of nuts.
He was offered power tools.
Yeah. He's literally got all the stuff to do this the non-shade tree way.
Tell her we need the fucking surfer on there.
What?
I already made that joke.
Am I beyond the jack smash capacity?
I probably would be.
No time to take off your jacket. You're at 7 minutes and 20
In
seconds.
cereal, he took the jacket off.
Cereal.
He gave up time for that.
Oh, it's a trade-off. He's wondering if the streamlining is going to make him faster.
It's like changing tires.
So we
in
need to
Formula
make
One.
it for this because she has to go into school.
She can run me over. I'm a very squishy speed bump.
You still got a homeowner's policy, right?
Hey, somebody should grab me the other rotor in the back.
Do you want me to add this to the stack of XJ rotors I've got in the J10?
Sure. Okay, you sit it down.
Okay.
Now unbox it, come on.
See, Expo, this is what happens when you hit the problem.
Jesus, dude, they ram these bolts down.
Probably like an electric socket. Electric. What's the story of the trailer? What's the story of the trailer? Did you put caliper grease on them, Wayman?
Nope.
What about the anti-rattle clips?
That wasn't part of the deal. Somebody get me my piston compressor. It's laying over there.
No, the fucking ain't.
Where is it then?
Expo.
Have I been sabotaged?
Okay, you get a 30-second like debuff, whatever the hell.
Where'd it go?
Is it still on the caliper?
I hope not. No, it's here. It's over here. Already got it. I'm a dumbass. Losing time.
You are.
It's not looking good, Expo.
Found it.
Your efforts are in vain.
Yeah, I'm gonna kill myself now. Game over, man. Game over.
Yeah.
10 minutes on the clock.
I know I don't need to clean them off technically, but
You want?
what? No.
Okay.
They're fine.
He says.
I don't do a salt water can. I give a shit.
Whew.
Nice. Tight now.
Don't use that shit first.
That's nice shit. I like how I hose the bottom of the hood off and our finger paint graffiti's still there. The SOS is like inverted washed. Look at that.
Yeah.
What the hell?
What?
So we did finger graffiti on the hood of this while we had it open and doing the cylinder head and whatnot. So I came before. My SOS is inverted. So it's cleaner around the SOS than the SOS is there. What? How?
Did you grease bomb it?
No. I mean, it might have
You want finger paint?
it might have grease bombed itself.
That is a fucking clean engine.
Brand new head with Auto 96.
I was talking about the block. Like,
That's not looking nice.
shocking lack of
Ow. Yeah, those are already here. It doesn't flop.
Casualty.
When I first got it, it
No, you're in the way. It's not my fault.
I can show you. Go get it. Hey, what's this pink mask? Pink and gray. Pink meaty. What was he? What do you say?
tired.
Sounds of the lamb. Shit.
Time is looking pretty good, actually.
I haven't done this kind of physical labor since 6th grade.
So weld up the header later, and maybe heat record.
Where's the key? Can you put the key in the ignition, please?
They got a little bit of my tire.
The paint! Start it.
Watch the paint.
That's great. Pump it up.
Did almost burn the jacket.
Time!